Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Files app or Cloud folder where the photos will live. Make sure you have permission to write there. Once the folder is visible, tap the Upload or Add button to reveal options. Choose Photos or Browse and select a recent album, because selecting from the right album saves time. You're doing this now to avoid repeated navigation. This first step establishes the destination and prepares your device to transfer files without interruptions. Now you select the images and configure upload settings so they arrive correctly. You can tap individual photos or use Select All to pick many quickly. Make sure you visually confirm the thumbnails. If the service offers quality, size, or conversion options, choose based on storage limits and required resolution. High quality for prints, resized for web. Once configured, confirm the upload count and tap Upload. This step balances file integrity with storage and speed considerations. Finish by watching the progress indicator until it reaches 100% and the app confirms completion. You should immediately open one or two uploaded photos to verify that file names, orientation, and quality match expectations. If you notice missing files or corruption, first check your internet connection and storage quota, then retry only the failed items. If permission errors persist, re-grant app access to photos or files and repeat. This final verification ensures your files are usable and avoids surprises later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.